Hi everyone, welcome back to the quote of the day. Today I've got a really great quote. I think you're going to enjoy it. I think it gives such practical advice that you can live it every day and you will find yourself living a better life. I'm afraid I'm not even familiar with the author of this quote, and I'm sure I'm going to slaughter it. I'm going to guess Maxime Lagace. I think it might be French, Lagace. At any rate, I'm not even sure if it's a man or a woman, whichever. I love this quote. A good way to simplify your life is to ask yourself every morning, what's important to me? Then spend most of your time on those things. I just love that. You know, we go through motions. We live most of us, I really love this quote. I think most of us go through life just living the motions, just in a rut of routine and hobby and habit, just in a rut of habit over and over and over again. The alarm goes off, we get dressed, we do our things, we get in the car, we go to work, we come home, we watch a little TV, we make a little meal, we go to bed. Next day we start over. We wake up, we brush our teeth, we go to the bathroom, we get dressed, we go to work, we drive home, we make a meal, we watch TV, we go to bed, and that goes on and on and on. And never in our lives do we think, what's important to me? What is so important to me that I just want to get it done for myself? Not just to stay alive another day. And all those things in our ruts and our routines are just ways to stay alive, to physically not die, to hopefully get a little ahead and have a little money and find a little happiness. But we never know what's important to us. We never devote ourselves to something important that is our meaning and our purpose, which we've talked so much about. And so I hope you will ask yourself that. If you can do that every morning and every night, what's important to me? So important that I'm going to find time for it. I'm going to make a place for it in my life today. And it can be almost anything. It can be a hobby. It can be, but most of all, I suggest that you find it in a relationship, a connection, because that's where true human joy is always found, in a connection and in a relationship. It can be a connection with another person. It can be a connection with a romantic partner, with family, with friends. It can be making new friends, spending time with friends, building bonds with friends. It can be a connection with nature. It can be a connection with pets. It can be a connection with animals. It can be a connection with the creativity in your life. Maybe you want to take up a creative hobby and make art or make music or whatever makes your heart sing. Find out what's important to you every day and then do that thing. Make that thing a priority and fit it into the rut, the routine. And maybe that will break the power and the monotony. Maybe that will break the soul-sucking monotony of the routine that brings despair into your life. Thoreau said most men lead lives of quiet desperation because there's nothing important in their life that they live for. So do that. Find the thing that's important to you and make time for it. And at the end of every day, did I do what was important to me today? Not just survival, not just survival. I made another $1 at work and now I can eat and have heat. What was important to you today? I hope that impacts your life. If it does, I'll see you tomorrow for another quote of the day. See you then.